Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare, and today I wanted to show you how to make your own mouthwash. Mouthwashes, store-bought ones, have chemicals in them that I say supposedly because the experts say yes and others say no, so it can cause mouth cancer. There have been increased mouth cancer growths and stuff like that along with the increase of mouthwash. So, you know, whether that's fact or fiction, fake news, either way, here's how to make your own natural version. So we have here 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary and fresh mint. Let's stick that in our little jar. Just want to get in. I have here a pinch of cloves. Cloves are very good for toothache. They can aid in the reduction of the pain associated with toothache. Then we have fennel seeds. Alright, I have here 3/4 of an ounce, which is about 22 ml of vodka. This is for preservatives, preserving the herbs and such. So you could leave it out if you didn't want to use the alcohol. And then we add boiling water. Just be careful it doesn't splash. Woo, there we go, beautiful. So we let this sit for 20 minutes to infuse and do all of it's got to do, and then you can strain it and then rebottle it, and then it's ready to use. Or you could, if you wanted, leave the herbs in there and just have yourself a gargle morning and night. Certainly at night time before you go to bed, you want to just kill off all those sort of unhealthy germs maybe in your mouth at the end of the day. It's good in the morning as well because it will also freshen your breath. So anyway, give that a shot, and of course let me know how you go. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you and have your feedback and how you found this product. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and enjoy your day.